Is big tech trying to create a 1984 society? Imagine a world where every move you make is tracked, recorded, and analyzed, where even your private thoughts and conversations are fed into massive AI systems designed to monitor and predict behavior. Sounds like Orwell's 1984, right? Well, it might be closer than you think. Back in September 2024, Oracle founder Larry Ellison made a chilling prediction about the future of surveillance, one that reads like something straight out of a dystopian novel. He talked about a world where people would be on their best behavior simply because they know they're always being watched. Not just law enforcement, everyone. Fast forward to today, and that vision is becoming reality. Ellison has now partnered with the US government and major tech giants in a $500 billion project called Stargate, a massive AI surveillance initiative being built across the country. The question is this about security or is it about control? In Orwell's 1984, Big Brother used telescreens to monitor citizens at all times. In Minority Report, predictive algorithms determined guilt before a crime was even committed. But here's the terrifying part: our reality might be worse because we're voluntarily feeding these systems our data. Every social media post, every digital transaction, every smart device, it's all being collected, analyzed, and used to track behavior. The Stargate project is taking this a step further. AI-powered surveillance cameras, massive data centers, and predictive algorithms are being integrated to create a system that can monitor and anticipate human actions on an unprecedented scale. And while tech leaders often talk about decentralization and data privacy, the truth is that the same corporations pushing these narratives are the ones investing in centralized control systems. People love to believe that technology will set us free, but what if it's being used to do the opposite? Let's break it down. Mass data collection. Every aspect of life is now digitized and stored, often without our explicit consent. Predictive AI policing. Law enforcement agencies are increasingly relying on AI to anticipate criminal behavior before it happens. Corporate government partnerships. Big tech and the government are working hand in hand to develop surveillance systems under the guise of national security. A loss of anonymity with facial recognition, digital IDs, and constant tracking, true privacy is becoming impossible. This isn't just speculation, it's happening right now. And history has shown that once these systems are in place, they don't go away. Instead, they expand. How can we push back? The good news is we're not powerless. So here are a few things we can do to resist the rise of a surveillance state. Use privacy-focused tech, switch to encrypted messaging apps, use decentralized platforms, and limit data sharing. Stay informed. The more you know, the harder it is to be manipulated. Follow independent journalists and researchers who track these developments. Advocate for digital rights. Support policies that limit mass surveillance and protect user data. Decentralize your digital life. Rely less on big tech platforms and explore alternatives that prioritize user control over data. Speak up, start conversations, create content, and use your voice. Silence is compliance. We're at a crossroads. One path leads to a society where AI-powered surveillance dictates how we live, stripping away privacy and personal agency. The other leads to a future where technology works for us, not against us. Orwell's 1984 wasn't just a warning about technology, it was a warning about complacency. The question isn't whether we'll have the tools for mass surveillance, we already do. The real question is, will we allow it to happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are we heading toward an Orwellian future, or is there still time to course correct? And if you want to stay ahead of big tech's moves, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay informed. The battle for privacy is just beginning. And lastly, if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. Now, if you want to take your AI marketing and content creation skills to the next level, I'd recommend joining my AI Marketing Insiders community. This is truly a no BS community for marketers, content creators, and business owners who are serious about wanting to learn AI without all of the guru clickbait hype that exists everywhere else on the internet. Now, as a member of this community, you get full access to all of my courses, which are worth over $1,000 in value with the AI Beginners Bootcamp, the AI Marketing Essentials course, and I will be adding more courses over time at no additional expense to you. You also get weekly live Q&As with me, which is your chance to pick my brain right on the spot. And over time, I will be doing more one-on-one calls as this community grows. You also get access to a private community and network with like-minded individuals and all sorts of other valuable information that you can find in here. So you do get a 7-day free trial as well, and you can find the link for my AI Marketing Insiders community below this video. And most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.